Yeah, we provide the bins, and then we come at a certain time. We go grab the trash, and then we put it in that dump, so we take it off site, basically.
Nice.
And I mean, it's been working. I know that you said, like, if you got the money, pay for the lead. So that's kind of what I've been doing to start out with. I'm like this close to getting that contract. I just want to ask you, like, what would you say to kind of, tip them over the edge to like signing with me away from the company that they're quote unquote tired of?
You have to get the actual.
Love, this for all my boss babe. Go do your boss thing. Loving how you boss babe. This for all my dreamers and my doers and all the entrepreneurs. Just believe in what you're doing and pursuing love. This for all my boss babe. Go do your boss thing.
Really quick, boss family, I have a free proposal template. So if you're not getting calls back after you submit those proposals, or if you feel like your proposals just look bland or they just look like an invoice that says estimate on it, then I have a much better way for you to do it. Download my proposal and link in the description, and you'll be able to close more jobs because you will look more professional. You'll look like you actually care about your business. So go get the proposal template. It's completely free. My gift to you guys. Love you.
Yeah, and I'm kind of in the same space, but like a different space. Like it's like doorstep trash pickup. Like we provide the bins, and then we come at a certain time. We go grab the trash, and then we put it in that dump, so we take it off site, basically.
Nice.
So I've been fighting for this for like a long time. I know a lot of people, like, they told me to just do the junk move at first, but I was kind of just being stubborn. I was like, I want to do what I want to do. I want to do what I want to do. But then I finally just fell into the junk removal, and I mean, it's been working. I know that you said, like, if you got the money, pay for the lead. So that's kind of what I've been doing to start out with. And so I'm this close to getting that contract. I just want to ask you, like, what would you say to kind of, tip them over the edge to like signing with me away from the company that they're quote unquote tired of?
You have to get the actual pain point. It's not something that you can say until you know what the problem is. You have to be addressing a problem. And so that may have been like a misstep in the walkthrough, but it's something that you can continuously do in follow up. So you, like, whenever you do reach back out to them and see where they are in the process, then that's where you need to like spend the most time, I guess, plan in your head a little bit before you make that call. That you need to find out exactly what this other team is doing or not doing that's causing them pain, and then you get to explain exactly how your company addresses that and completely erases that, because that's all I'm doing, and that's all sales is I'm constantly asking you questions. Anyone who coaches or teaches sales will tell you, like, you're asking questions, you're listening more than you're talking in sales. And the second they give you all the information that you need, now you have all the answers. Now you're gonna give them the perfect solution. Like it's hard for them to say no, because you've given them exactly what they asked for. Like, so like you look weird if you say no now, like, because this is exactly what you said, like, because you're gonna repeat to them. I specialize in coaching and consulting for new and aspiring commercial cleaning business owners just like you.
He helped me get this whole process started.
I talked to that man for less than 30 minutes, okay?
It was a great move for me to make. I ain't have a lot of money or nothing, but he gave me the steps I need to take to do it.
My goal is to equip you with the tools and the knowledge you need to thrive in this competitive industry.
And all I can say is that the value that was given to us in that 1 hour was well worth what we paid for, in my opinion.
DJ's consultation is 100% worth it.
I come up with a custom plan for you and your business.
The information he provided was invaluable, man.
He provided so much value.
We really love how this information was tailored to our specific needs.
Best practices, marketing strategies, and industry secrets, and anything else you need to get ahead.
We've noticed a big shift in our business.
I just closed 2 clients.
You're also going to save a lot of money by avoiding costly mistakes by learning from someone who's experienced and who's done exactly what you're trying to do.
I highly recommend DJ The Boss.
We definitely recommend a consultation with DJ The Boss to anybody with the cleaning service.
I definitely would recommend using DJ services.
I appreciate you, DJ The Boss.
Shout out to you, DJ The Boss.
Book a one-on-one session with me, and we can help get your business to the next level.
And I'm glad you said like the pain points, because like one of the pain points is just the basics. So they're just not coming on a certain day, or they're not going because most of them are like 3 floors, or they're just not going to the 3rd floor, which is kind of crazy to me. Like, you're there, like, why didn't you just go to the next floor?
Yeah. Why wouldn't you go to the next floor?
Yeah, that don't make sense to me. So, like, that's just like their main pain points. It's basically showing up for the job. That's the main thing. Like, you got to show up in order
So this
to
is
show
dope.
up.
So I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna do it. This is like some inception shit. I'm this good, right? So I'm gonna do it for my business and your business at the same time, right? So I love when I get objections like this because my technology addresses the problem. Like we use a technology that forces people to be in the area via GPS, via our app, and requires them to actually check in this location.
Mm-hmm.
And they have a checklist that they're required to actually check off when they complete each of these items. So there's never any skipped assignments. There's never any missed places unless someone just blatantly missed it. And then everyone else in the company knows because it's in our database and we can address it. So, and so that's me selling it to your client. And that's also me on YouTube selling it to everyone else. You see what I'm saying? Like now, like I just did that. It's like I just doubled up. Like you're saying, like so that's the type of thing. So like when you hear an objection, you have to look for what the reason is, what the actual pain is that they're going through. What are they trying to get rid of, and how whatever it is that however you package your services, whether it's disinfecting or whether it's general cleaning, you have a certain process or a certain way you approach things. That's what you use to sell your service and to address that problem and then reclose on that account.
And I know you mentioned his name. What's his name? Promosi. I know, like he said, like he was like, if you're trying to like compete with the competition or be better in the competition, you have to like go the extra mile. Like,
Boss fam, really quick, you have got to start automating your sales process. I know you love your cleaning business, this is your baby, but you can't do everything. You're trying to run a business here. So automate your sales process so that you can have more time to close deals and grow your cleaning business. That's what you're supposed to be doing. You're the CEO, you're the owner. So you are responsible for growing the business, not doing all those small day-to-day tasks. And if you don't know how to automate your sales process, I have a guide. So go in the link in the description and download the guide. That way you can start automating the sales process and start growing your business and working on your business instead of in it. Love you guys. Keep that boss mentality.